Woo! That's all I'm going to say to my Golden Nugget family out there is that I told you so, guys. I had to come back for this update. We are just here to talk about all the great stuff that's going on, kind of going over some of the stuff that we talked about a few days ago and said if all this works out, where this stock could be at today. And guys, you see it, we're almost breaking $17 in this crazy market. Now, I know the market's getting pumped up a little bit with stimulus, but hey, we're going to take anything we can get, guys. Hope you are ready for today's video. If you are, guys, you already know them links are down below to that Weeble and Patreon. So let's get to the video, baby. That's right, your boy's going to be strutting up in here on this video because, man, we are just so excited that Gnog has broke the trend line. And let's see if we can hold it out for Friday and all over the weekend. And starting out next week, man, I'm so hyped up that we're going to be getting there. And I think we're just at the beginning of all this. So, guys, let's get to the video, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, there was this article we did cover, but I want to come back to it because it has some great information. This was back on March the 8th. Golden Nugget is trending, technicals to watch. Now, we're going to go down here in this man's chart by Tyler Bundy. So, guys, I'm sorry if that intro is too much for you. You don't know how we do things on this channel. We try to be really exciting and entertaining. We don't try to be one of those boring stock market channels. And especially when it comes to the Golden Nugget, your boy's going to be hyped up. So anyway, down here, the company's online casino operator that's gone live in Michigan and New Jersey. Here are some technicals to watch in the stock. Here you can see he has the trend lines. He has one here at 1650. He says here the 15-minute chart above shows the stock seems to be trading in what we call a technicals trader would call a channel. That's right, trading in the channel, guys. He also says the top of the channel is thought to be a resistance, while the bottom of the channel is a potential support. The potential resistance level is near 1650, a place that the stock is unable to cross above multiple times in the past. And there it is, the trend line at 1650. The potential support level is near the $12 mark, and this level seems to hold as a support previously, which is true. And down here is where it seems to kind of bounce off a lot. It doesn't seem to do that. And down here he says a bullish technical trader may see the price break above the resistance level and consolidate for a time before another move up is possible. A bearish technical trader may see the price break below a support level and consolidate before a further downward move is possible. So on this chart, guys, I must say, if we go back here to the Robinhood right now, the stock here, we just went to after hours. We're setting at 1682. We are above that 1650 trend line. So where are we going to end up here in the after hours? Hard to tell, but we are above it. So now we're going to be in this consolidation area, as he said in that article. Where are we going to be at, man? Are we going to break up over 17? Are we going to hang around? As you can see, let's go to the 1 week chart. Guys, on the 1 day, we're up another 7.5%. The 1 week, guys, we are up 23%. Woo! Out of this crazy market, Gnog is getting some love that has definitely been deserved. And even at this price, it is still cheap. It is still cheap. It's under $17. In my personal opinion, anything under $20 is almost a gold mine in this. You guys know I have a total of 255 shares between my Robinhood, Fidelity, and Weeble. And this is just crazy, guys, to see this stock still sitting around here at this price because it should be a lot higher than this. But anyway, I'm happy we're finally getting there. We're getting that positive momentum. And down here he has another chart. The chart above shows the support levels of it's near the $12 and 15-minute daily chart. The first potential level comes near the $20 mark. So that is what we're going to be going towards next, guys, is that $20 mark. Are we going to be able to get there now? We're going to see this thing has been on tear all week. So where are we going to end up here tomorrow and over the weekend? Where will the stock end up? So that's what I'm going to be excited about. Let's get in here and talk about some more great information about my Golden Nugget. All right, guys, I wanted to bring this great information back to you in case you didn't know this. As we know, on February 24th, Gnog got into New York on the Tioga Downs deal, which is pretty exciting, saying the New York market will be at a $2 billion industry. on February the 8th, Gnog reported preliminary financial results for the full year of 2020 for the 12 months ending December 31st, 2020. Total revenue between 90 and 91 million compared to 55 million in 2019, an increase of 63%. That is fantastic. All right, guys, maybe I got you a couple struts in there. My regular viewers been requesting to see some of the struts, so we put them in there for this video. That's right. The gross gaming revenue between 101 and 102 million compared to 60 million during the same period in 2019, an increase of 67%. The operating income between 23 and 24 million, which is also between 28 and 29 million before the 4 million to 5 million cost, and related to the business combination with LCA, the Land Kitty Holdings 2, compared to 17.6 million in 2019, an increase of 38% or approximately 62% before the business combination cost. The final fourth quarter 2020 should be released soon, and you know I'll be bringing you that once this happens. And guys, I think that one of the biggest reasons that we are seeing here in the stock recently and why it is kind of moving up in the right direction here is, first off, Gnog currently has the lowest valuation in the US iGaming space. Is trading around 6.4 times estimated 2022 revenue, which compares very favorable to DraftKings, which trades at 20 times revenue in 2022. And guys, as you see here, the warrants are finished. March the 8th, the warrants were done at 5 p.m. And what has been happening since those warrants have been gone? Well, you may ask, what has happened? Well, I just showed you, and I'm going to show you again. That's right. The 1 week chart up 23%. That is what's happened if you've been living under a rock. But if you have this stock, you know what I'm talking about. Guys, real quick as well, on the stock twits, Gnog has over 32,000 watchers on this thing, man. That is legit. All right, guys, I wanted to bring this here to you on the Yahoo Finance. Check this out. We are at a $1.14 billion market cap now. That is truly phenomenal. I see this just getting bigger as people start to realize the true gem this is. Let's refresh here on Robinhood. And as you can see, it's still showing here. If we go back, let's reset this here because that's saying a different price. But I don't know, Robinhood's being stupid. But anyway, it is looking great, guys. Real quick, a rundown of the portfolio. Like I said, portfolio is doing really great today. I have no complaints. I did go back and add some money because, of course, in these dips, what are you supposed to do, guys? Buy the dip. So I went in, added $800, and I bought some CCIV on sale. So I did want to just bring that to you. I do have a video on CCIV where I was at the local mall about 90 minutes away. And Lucid Motors is opening up a store about 90 minutes from my house. So that's super exciting. So I do have a video a couple days back on that. Go check that out. And guys, like I said, the portfolio is looking pretty good. We made a pretty good recovery. We did get beaten down on some stocks. And I did take some losses on those call options I had. I'm just trying to be transparent with you guys. Getting hammered on my calls, as you see. I even sold some at a loss to try to salvage some money to accumulate just a little bit more buying power, as you can see. So that is what's going on. Genius Brand just put out a video on that yesterday, man. Genius Brand is looking phenomenal. Congratulations to APXT, 8 Point coming back. Finally almost breaking $13. That's truly phenomenal. BarkBox, which is STIC, that's still getting beat down. That is still a great value under $12 in my personal opinion. So, guys, that's all I want to say in this video. I'm just here to say we are back, baby. Gnog is looking good. If it dips tomorrow, don't let it get you down. We had a heck of a run up. Keep in mind, 23% up. And what I'm going to do is end the video for my viewers with saying thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for liking the video. Please put a comment down below. I know there's a lot of people watch it, but they don't put me a comment. I don't care if you just put, anything in there. Buy the dip. Terry, I love you. Whatever you want to say. Gnog for life. Man, just comment something. It helps get the videos out. And guys, you know, I got that Webull link down below and that Patreon down below. And guys, I'm going to end the video for my viewers that love the strut. I'm going to put a loop of a couple struts on there so you guys can just watch them. If you don't like the struts, just, you can dip out. But my viewers been requesting the strut, so I'm going to put them on there. So guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby. Let me get this here. Baby, let's go.